Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn old plastic carry bags into this beautiful pom-pom hanging. Take a clean yellow plastic bag. Cut and discard the bottom and top portions. Now cut thin strips from the bag. Make plastic yarns by interlocking the pieces. Wrap the strips around cardboard about 100 times. Tie the middle tightly with the thread. Cut the edges on both the sides. Trim to fluff up the pom-pom. Make as many pom-poms as you like. Next, thread a needle and pass it through the pom-pom. Add your preferred beads. You can add green beads if you want them to look like stems, but here I chose yellow. Make a few flowers and leaves to make it more attractive. Fix the leaves and flowers onto the lemon pom-poms. Create 3 sets of pom-pom hangings in different lengths. Bend a wire to make a hoop. Attach each hanging to the hoop. Finally, add strings to the hoop for hanging. Hang this beautiful pom-pom lemon hanging near a window in your living room or in your kids' room. It brings a cheerful, eco-friendly vibe anywhere. If you enjoyed this recycled craft, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly ideas.